Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2017 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon. Stock number is A7272. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps and easy access heavy-duty tow hooks. A look down the passenger side, you have alloy wheels. Those are 20-inch alloy wheels. Looking at the tread on the tires, these tires are brand new. You can see still have the lines on the inside there. Lots of tread and life left. Inside, leather interior. You have the Rubicon stitched there. Definitely adds a sharp feel with the red stitching on the black leather. One more look down the passenger side, then we're going to swing around the back end. You have a full-size spare tire, full-size wheel with a brand new tire there. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Audio, Bluetooth, and cruise controls. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo. Climate control as well as dual heated seats. Four-wheel drive and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Wrangler on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All of this and more at holidayautomotive.com.